Hey everybody, this is Chris Danger and wearing my Toronto Raptors t-shirt. Earlier I was wearing my green shirt. Ready. In this video, I'd like to see every subscriber to me like this video, please, if you can. Alright guys, just grab something. Alright, today, this is how to clean a dirty Xbox One controller. Oof. I don't know if you can see it, it's pretty dirty. Like cat hair and sticky crap, I'm not too sure. And also this is my other cat, if you want to see real quick. This is PJ. Named him that because I had a cat like that when I was younger. And looks like him, so yeah. It's kind of in the way though, so get that butt out of here. Right. So this is what I grab some toilet paper, tissue paper, preferred, or soft fabric like this, soft pad. But I usually sometimes use toilet paper, but sometimes it'll get stuck in there. I have to use the mirror to guide myself here. Oh shit. Let's try the controller. Or not controller, my Xbox controller. Right, this is going to be cleaning my Xbox One controller. Decent size of toilet paper. Decent size. Try to grab a decent size piece of toilet paper. Cold or hot water. Just damp it a little bit, not too wet. Sorry guys, this way I like better in the mirrors. Alright, I put hot water on, not cold water. Stupid. Sorry. Stupid. Alright, I think I got a little too wet. That's okay. I'm sorry. So about that, I didn't get too bad of wetness here. I'm gonna clean it. Make sure we dry it well. That's what we'll use the towel for. Sorry, this might take a while. You can fast forward if you want. But if you want to see how the results come through, I wouldn't recommend to skip it. So this is my second controller here. It's got filthy, so I don't use this one often, so alright. Probably the hardest spot on this controller. Guys, so did you hear about that Xbox One controller? How you can create your own controller on Xbox.com? That is fucking badass, guys. And I'm gonna be buying a controller like that. I'm just gonna customize it. Actually, I might make two for you guys. One for a fan. Give you a custom Xbox One controller with your gamer tag, your real name, or whatever you want on there. If you even want a name on there. But I don't mind helping my fans out, especially I know how it feels to have not a lot of money, but it costs like $60, but that's okay. That's how much I care for you guys. $60. And also I might be giving up some away, so I'm surprised. Now let's look at the gaming hubs. Sorry guys if you're very impatient right now. Alright, step one, done. Now, toilet paper in that not garbage, toilet, garbage, wherever. Right. These things I use for my controller. Oh, there's none left. But let's go get this at any store. I don't know how it says it's for skin, but whatever. Controller. Since we skipped a step, because I do not have the step, but it's all good. It's all good. So, yeah. Step 3. Towel. Make sure this towel is dry, not wet or damp or nothing. No, stop, PJ. Right. Grab a piece like this of your towel. Of course, set it on top. Make sure you didn't get any missing spot. Looking better already. Or you can air dry it, up to you, but I prefer it this way. So I make sure I get all the dampness off there. Sorry, just not paying attention to the screen, which I should be. Alright, make sure that's nice. People complain. There we go. Oh, and also I forgot to tell you in the first part of the video. Sorry, guys. Be gentle with removing the back piece here. Make sure, before you get it wetted and stuff, make sure you take the batteries out, which I already did. Great value batteries. And especially, I know, if you leave batteries in there, or any controller, your controller could get fried, and no good. Second thing, I forgot to mention, make sure you're careful removing this, because if these prongs fall off, the charge will not hold. So I'll show you. Make sure you put it on gently, and then there you go. That's good noise. That means they're connected. And I'll show you how to remove it properly. See how there's a button right there? Or not a button. A thing. Push up. Push up. Nice and carefully though. Nice and carefully. See? No damages. Done. Right, let's put the battery back in this controller. There, guys. Good as new. I won't read the Xbox One from it does, but 100% real. You should try it if your controller gets too dirty. Why spend a lot of money on those products that you don't even need when you have it in your own bathroom, your own home? Remember, all you need is running water, toilet paper. I'm pretty sure everybody has toilet paper. A towel. Make sure it's not like those rough towels. It has to be smooth, like this one. Can't have any rough pieces. Then the outcome is Xbox One controller. It looks brand new, which it is old. This is my original Xbox One controller. So, like this video and subscribe. Leave a comment. Thank you.